And today, special thanks to this company who was nice enough to send us this blood glucose monitoring system. So you can see there's no coding, you get a 7-second reading, and it needs a very tiny amount for the sample. A little bit about the company there. More features here on the back. So the 7-second results, small sample, 90-day averaging, 450 results memory with day and time. Very nice. There's the contents. They even give you the batteries. Nicely done. And then that's the same front. Name on the top, nothing on the bottom. Let's cut this seal and take a look at this. All right. Ooh, nice and neatly packaged. Wow. All right. I like that. Nothing else in there. And so we've got owner's manual, test strip info, little like how-to guide, it looks like. Everything you'll need to know if you got to do this. And then inside of here is everything else. Wow, look at that. So, I don't know what this is, but if you're doing this, you probably do. There's a bunch of these. I don't want to open some of these things because I plan to try to gift this to somebody. So, then we've got, this must be the actual little pricker thing here. All right, then your batteries for your device. Is this the same thing? Yeah, another 50 pack of these. And then these are the test strips. So let me just take a look at them, see if there's any. Oh, okay. All right, and there's how many test strips in here? 50, so 100 test strips and 100 of these sterile acids. And then this is the actual little reading device here. Just pop your 2 AAA batteries in there, set it and whatnot. And then you'd be able to use this to put your strip in whichever way and use it. Wow. Amazing how small this technology is nowadays. So very unique. That's essentially everything that comes into this. Thanks again to this company who was nice enough to send this to me to unbox and show you exactly what you get in this package. Thank you all for watching this. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.